Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about making sure your beauty routine is as effective as it is enjoyable. Let's face it, keeping your smile bright and healthy can sometimes feel like a never-ending battle. If you've ever struggled with those tight spaces between your teeth, you know that flossing alone just doesn't cut it. So today, we're diving into a solution that promises to tackle that challenge head-on: the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Ultra Tight Interdental Brushes. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest reviews on products that truly make a difference in your beauty and wellness routine. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are specialized interdental brushes designed for deep cleaning between teeth. These ultra-tight brushes are specifically crafted to help those with narrower dental spaces. You know, the spots where floss often doesn't fit. They come in a pack of 36, each one designed to provide a cleaner, healthier mouth with every use. They feature soft bristles that slide gently yet effectively between your teeth, removing plaque buildup that brushing can miss. These interdental brushes have a nylon-coated wire that's ideal for cleaning around dental devices like braces, implants, and other dental appliances. That means you don't have to worry about scratching or damaging anything when using them. This makes it a great option for those undergoing orthodontic treatment or anyone with dental fixtures. Let's talk about my personal experience with these. As someone who's always been mindful about oral health, I've tried my fair share of interdental brushes. What I love about these GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens is how seamlessly they fit into my daily routine. They're incredibly easy to use. I simply slide the brush between my teeth and gently clean the spaces that are often left behind after brushing. The soft bristles feel comfortable and do a fantastic job of getting into the tightest spots without causing any irritation. If you've ever dealt with the frustration of tight teeth that make it difficult to clean thoroughly, you'll appreciate how the GUM Proxabrush makes a difference. These are not only effective, but also gentle on the gums. Plus, they come in a convenient 36-count pack, which makes them cost-effective over time. There are a few things to keep in mind, though. While these brushes are perfect for narrow spaces, they might not be the best choice if you have wider gaps between your teeth or if you're used to larger interdental brushes. It's also important to be mindful of the technique to avoid any unnecessary pressure on the gums. But overall, the design is user-friendly and they're lightweight, so they're easy to carry with you when you're on the go. Now, let's talk about value. These brushes are priced reasonably, especially considering the quality and the pack size. If you compare it to traditional flossing or other dental cleaning tools, the price is justifiable, especially if you need that extra level of precision and cleanliness between your teeth. The nylon-coated wire and soft bristles are durable, so you're getting a solid product that should last you a while. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of interdental brushes out there, but GUM stands out because of its design specifically for ultra-tight spaces. That's a major selling point for anyone who has struggled with cleaning those tight corners that flossing just doesn't reach. As for customer service, I haven't needed to contact them directly, but GUM has a solid reputation for being responsive to customer inquiries, so I feel confident that they would be helpful if any issues arose. To wrap it up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a must-try if you struggle with tight teeth or need a tool that's gentle yet effective around dental appliances like braces or implants. They're easy to use, reliable, and a worthy investment for maintaining your oral hygiene. I highly recommend them to anyone looking to enhance their dental routine, especially if you've been relying on flossing alone and want to step it up a notch. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss one of our honest reviews. And remember, if you're ready to get your own, you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.